Fusion Mobile, quality e-learning experience on the go.
Our next item will be spelling of commonly misspelt words, and the spelling of commonly misspelt words, in particular doubling of consonants. Now let us take a look at commonly misspelt words. One can master the spelling of some words that are often spelled wrongly if one reads wild. Keep a note of words you find difficult to spell and learn spelling rules. Master these exceptions to each rule and use the dictionary for spelling, meaning, and pronunciation. On the board are a few examples of words that mostly are misspelt. Using I and E to make one sound when I comes before E. Example: believe, relieve, thief, relief, field, grief, chief, brief, etc. On no occasion must you bring the letter E before the letter I when spelling these words. The letter E comes before the letter I after the C. After the C, that is, after pronouncing a sound that has C. For example, conceive, ceiling, perceive, conceit, deceive, receive, etc. The letter E comes before I. However, there are a few exceptions in the spelling of these words, despite the fact that they come after C. These exceptions include efficient, conscience, conscientious, efficient, conscience, conscientious. There are a list of other words that are exception when spelling them, despite the fact that they come, the letters or the sound comes after the letter C. So let us go back, study our dictionaries, learn new words, learn spelling rules, the pronunciation and the meaning of these words. We have when E comes before I, when the letters E and I are pronounced as A. When they are pronounced as A is the combination of two vowel sounds. It is called a diphthong. The combination of two vowel sounds is called a diphthong. A single vowel sound is called a monophthong. We have examples: eight, wait, fame, rain, vain, beige, freight, neighbor, etc., etc. We can go back home and learn more words and how they are pronounced with the aid of our dictionary. A few questions are going to pop up now for us to attempt. If we have any difficulty in answering these questions, please review the video once again. Now let us take a look at the second part of commonly misspelt words, the doubling of consonants. A few rules govern the use of these spellings by doubling their consonants, and we are going to read them out to us and also take a look at the examples that we have on the board. For most words that have short vowel sounds and end with a single consonant, double the consonant before adding the suffix that starts with a vowel. Example: rapper. We have rap plus ER, rapper. There is a vowel sound that comes before the consonant that lasts the word. Now, before we can add a suffix that begins with a consonant, we have to double the consonant sound. I mean, a suffix that begins with a vowel, rather. We have to double the consonant sounds, which gives us wrapper. In begin, if we had ing to turn it into a continuous tense, we have beginning. We double the n. Drop, we have dropped. Map plus ing, we have mapping. Rub, rubbing. Fat, fattest. The other rule says for words that end in L after a vowel, double the L before adding ER, ED, and ING at the end. We have examples like traveling, marvel, marveling, cancel, canceling, control, controller, fuel, fueled, allot, allotted. The other one says words ending in IE. For example, tie, lie, die. It says to add ing to words ending in IE, drop the E and change the I to a Y. Just as we have it here, we dropped the E and turned the I into a Y, which gives us lying. Same thing applies to dying, tying, etc. And the last one we have here, to add suffixes to words ending with Y after a consonant. Change the Y to I before adding the suffix that is not ing. In duty, we have dutiful. We added the suffix ful. Beauty, we have beautiful. We change the Y into an I. Happy, we have happily. Mystery, we have mysterious. The list can go on and on like that. We just have to go back home and help to broaden our vocabulary by reading wide and making use of our dictionaries, learning new words, the spelling rules, their meaning and pronunciation. With this, we have come to the end of the class. A few questions will pop up on the screen for you to attempt. If you find any difficulties in answering these questions, please go back to review the video. Thank you.